If you are a real estate agent and have tried Facebook ads and got nothing but fake phone numbers, tigers, and leads that go nowhere, this video is going to change everything for you. Because the problem isn't Facebook ads. The problem is you've been doing them completely wrong. My name is Eetu Häkkinen, I'm the founder of Mescoola, and over the past 5 years, I have spent over $2 million in Facebook ad spend to crack the code on what actually works for real estate agents. We have helped over 500 agents across the US and Canada at an average of 10 extra listings and $127,000 in gross commission income using Facebook ads the right way. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the 3 fatal mistakes that are killing your Facebook ad results and the exact system that agents like Rob, who went from 0 online success to setting 10 listing appointments in his first 2 weeks, are using to dominate their markets. So here's what's happening. 97% of real estate agents are making the same 3 deadly mistakes with their Facebook ads, and it's costing them hundreds of thousands in lost commissions every single year. Mistake number 1, they're targeting everyone and converting no one. Most agents run ads targeting the entire city with basic demographics. They're competing against every other agent, every lead generation company, and platforms like Zillow for the same tiny slice of ready to sell now homeowners. Mistake number 2, they're using those terrible Facebook lead forms. You know, the ones, half the phone numbers are wrong, people claim they never fill anything out, and when you do reach out to them, they have no idea what they signed up for. Mistake number 3, they give up after 1 or 2 calls. They get a lead, call once or twice, and when the person isn't ready to list today, they label them as high kicker and move on to the next shiny object. Meanwhile, there's massive opportunity sitting right in front of them. In any market, 17% of homeowners are actively gathering information about selling. They're not ready today, but they're in the decision-making process, and 97% of agents are completely ignoring this gold mine. A couple years ago, I was analyzing data from our most successful agents. People like Terry, who tried 10 other lead gen companies before us and then closed 12 listings in his first 12 months, and Catherine, who went from struggling to closing 15 listings in 12 months. I discovered they were doing 3 things completely differently than everyone else. First, with them, we were running hyper-local value-first campaigns. Instead of generic list with me type of ads, they were offering street-by-street evaluations, neighborhood price updates, and market insights that homeowners actually wanted. Second, we were driving traffic to survey funnels, not lead forms. These surveys pre-vetted leads by asking about property address, timeline to sell, relationship to the property, and recent upgrades. This gave them higher quality leads with more information to work with. Third, they had AI systems nurturing leads 24/7. While other agents were playing phone tag, our AI assistant was engaging with leads within the first 30 seconds, building relationships, and booking phone consultations directly onto their calendars. That's when I redeveloped our system to what we now call the Value First Online Listing Acquisition System. It's built around targeting that 17% of homeowners who are gathering information, providing massive value upfront to these individuals, and nurturing them until they are ready to move. Rob told us,
I think the system and the way you've built out the CRM and everything, I think what you guys have done is just phenomenal. Like, I have tried for years to crack the code on online Facebook home seller leads, and I've never figured out. That's why I've always just stuck with prospecting.
Let me share some specific results from agents who stopped making these 3 mistakes. Matt called it,
it's the absolute, not a lie, the best investment I've made so far in my real estate career.
After closing 7 listings in 5 months through our system. He went from struggling with online leads to having a predictable pipeline of opportunities. Heather acquired $8 million in real estate in just 30 days. A $3 million listing, $2.5 million listing, and another $2.5 million listing. All from Facebook ads done the right way. Michael was nominated as Rookie of the Year at his brokerage, with over 30 of his business coming from our Facebook ad system. And here's the beautiful part. These results are predictable. We know that for every 50 leads we generate, our agents typically get 5 listing appointments and 1 listing. At $30 per lead, that's $1,500 in ad spend to acquire a listing that generates $10,000 and more in commissions, depending on your market. Look, Facebook ads work. The platform has over 3 billion users and the targeting capabilities, even with housing category, are incredible. But you have to do them right. Now, you can keep making the same 3 mistakes that 97% of agents make, or you can implement a proven system that's already helped over 500 agents transform their businesses. Your competitors are already figuring this out. While you're struggling with fake leads and tiger girls, they are building predictable pipelines that generate listings autopilot. The choice is yours. You can keep doing what you've always done and hope things get better, or you can implement a system that actually works. If you're ready to stop wasting money on Facebook ads that don't work and start using them to build a predictable listing acquisition machine, click the link in the description to book a free game plan session with my team. We'll analyze your current approach, show you exactly what you're doing wrong, and if we are fit, we'll help you implement our proven system step by step. But remember, we only work with 1 agent per market area. Don't let another year go by making the same mistakes. Click the link in the description and let's fix your Facebook ads once and for all.